boss's offices. What color shirt does yours wear?
Green. His is red shirt. Yours is blue shirt.
What's my boss's name?
Robert.
Thought mine was Mary.
Oh, yeah. So, wait, we don't have Mary's name. Oh, Mary's name is Mary works somewhere else.
She does.
Your boss's name is... Are you taking a video?
No.
What are you looking at? Let me look. I'll see what you're doing. Mommy, let me show me.
Tell me about our bosses.
Are you taking a video?